In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payments in USD on Stripe. We're going to walk through the exact settings you need to update inside your Stripe dashboard so that you can not only charge customers in US dollars, but also have those funds paid out to a bank account that supports USD. Follow along in your own Stripe account as I describe each step. First, open your Stripe Home dashboard and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard page, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the shortcut to your account settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where Stripe keeps all of the configuration options for your business, including payouts and currencies. After the settings panel opens, find and click on the section labeled Business. This section controls information about your company and how your payouts are handled. Inside the business area, look for a tab called Bank Accounts and Currencies. Click on that tab. This is where Stripe lets you manage which bank accounts you use for payouts and which currencies those payouts can be made in. On the Bank Accounts and Currencies page, you'll see any existing settlement currencies you already have set up. To add US dollars, look for a button or link that says Add a Settlement Currency and click it. When you do this, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This pop-up is where you'll choose the new currency you want to support. Inside that pop-up, you'll see a drop-down list of available currencies. Open the drop-down and select USD. Once you select USD, Stripe will display an important message explaining that to receive payouts in US dollars, you need to have a bank account associated with this currency. Stripe also notes that you can add one bank account per currency. So to complete the setup, click the option to add a bank account. Enter the details for a bank account that can receive USD payouts. Make sure the information is accurate because this is where your money will be sent. After you've added and confirmed that bank account, return to the pop-up window and click the Add Currency button in the bottom right corner. Once you do that, USD will be added as a settlement currency for your Stripe account, and you'll be ready to receive payments and payouts in US dollars.